Hello everybody, it's Eric Freeze. Today we're coming to you from my front yard. We have this whirlpool from 2000. It's suffered a bit of neglect in its life for, I think, the past 2 years. This has been on the back porch of someone's house. Asked about it and went to go pick it up. And it's been here ever since, so that's good. Anyway, we're about to turn this thing on, fire it up, and listen to it. That's actually the first time I've actually ever ran it. I've been meaning to run it a while ago, and I didn't even have any intents on keeping this unit, but it ended up over at my house somehow. So I guess it's mine now. It's an early 2000s one. It has a whirlpool sticker on the bottom of it, which I've seen plenty of like this, but they never have the sticker. Probably been long gone. It's always the bigger units that I see. It's quite surprising, because I believe these smaller whirlpools were very common at one point in time. I think it's a Tecumseh branded compressor. Something else to mention is the cotter keys holding on, cotter pins that hold on the bottom of the compressor. So here's fan only. And it looks like we have stiff fan bearings. That's not a good sign. I'm gonna have to fix the fan motor, but we'll turn on the compressor. So we'll try to turn between speeds so we don't absolutely destroy our fan motor. I think it's a Fasco branded fan motor, but I can't tell. This compressor is actually pretty quiet. I heard it just comes the rotaries are somewhat on the louder side. It could be a Matsushita, but judging by the sticker on the inside, I don't think it is. So I think that's an LG. No, it's Matsushita. I mean, Tecumseh. Can't really have a good enough look in there to see it. Back coil's getting nice and hot. I'm guessing the one on the inside is doing the same. Not necessarily the best on charge, as it's gotten older. Oh, I saw a bit of movement in the fan. I don't know if there's any oil ports on it. Oh, there it goes. It's blowing now. Bearings need oil, but at least it's moving now. That's good. The air movement coming out of this is actually pretty nice. Wide discharge vents too. Yeah, these bearings are not in the best of condition. Quite delicious. I have to say on these vintage units, bearing noise is a lot worse compared to shop bearings on a modern unit. Shop bearings on a modern unit are actually tolerable. This one is not tolerable at all. I can't deal with this. Noisy, but it cools. And the air coming out of it's actually pretty nice too. Someone from my house is gonna come out here saying like, what in the hell is this noise? Down there. Filter won't go in the unit all the way. That's interesting. I don't know why it's doing that. Good luck even hearing me over this thing. R22, obviously. Especially behind that vent. I want to let this thing run for a longer period of time, and I'll actually like to show it to you, but this thing's just too noisy. It's just not. No, there's a fire ant. Sounds like it's slowly going away. I guess I'll let it run, see if it goes away, and it just did. That's actually quite nice. Now there's just a typical loose bearing noise, so I guess I just really had to heat up, and now it's quiet. Even on high cool, darn, this thing's quiet. I'm not sure if my ears are just ruined by this thing running on its high fan speed setting, and just letting me know, hey, I'm a piece of junk, and I'm noisy. So maybe this unit could actually be unusually loud compared to other units, but for me at this point. Have a look at the back side of this thing while it's running. It's actually really quiet. Oh, that compressor sounds nice. It sounds really healthy too. This fan had perfect bearings on it, this thing would be dead silent. This thing is actually really, really nice. If I hit it, it goes away. I'm pretty sure if this was in my window, I'd get so angry at it, punch it, to the point where it breaks the front grill and it falls outside. For some reason it turns off, it sounds like a tornado siren shutting off. Lots of squeakiness, and it just runs like perfect. Oh dear, what a character. Thank you very much for watching, and keep the breeze.